Alright guys, here we are again. Like and subscribe if you want daily updates. Mostly scrolling on X and filtering out the most important news about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And we're heading right in because Bitcoin Archive posts Telegram's Bitcoin and crypto wallet is now live for 87 million users across the US. This means we have another 100 million users that get access to Bitcoin services, which is pretty huge. 100 million possible clients, 100 possible users coming into Bitcoin. That's awesome. And if you use Telegram, you might be able to see these changes soon. The next one, based on the two bull runs, the recent bull runs, the cycle has less than 100 days remaining. So if we look at the history, we see that the cycles from 2015 to 18, 18 to 22, the cycles ended or topped right there. And this might be the case this time, that we have only 100 days left. And what Mr. Bitcoin Magazine writes is that maybe we have a possible top in October coming. I beg to differ. I guess we're gonna see some leg down in August and in the summer especially, and then we go up again, and then we get a year's end rally, and maybe we top in November or December this time. I don't know. I have no crystal ball. Do your own research. The next news we have is 411 million PNC Bank partners with Coinbase to serve clients with Bitcoin and crypto services. I found two sources because the one says 325 and he says 411 billion. It doesn't really matter. That's a lot of capital that's possible to flow into Bitcoin in the next weeks or months. That's another extremely bullish news. This one is from Bitcoin Archive. Bitcoin is the most successful asset class in the recent months. This is not really updated yet because Ethereum had quite a leg up in the recent weeks. So maybe it's about there, I guess. I don't know if it's in the positives right now, but gold and Bitcoin are still battling, and Bitcoin is winning this race by far. And if we are at an end, I don't know, but for long-term investors, if you have more than 4 years, you will be in profit with Bitcoin, which is quite awesome. And the last one for today is 160 billion ETF issuer Wisdom Tree recommends 3% Bitcoin allocation for all 60/40 portfolios. They call BTC reduced risks and drives returns. That's pretty huge. That's absolutely huge, because a 3% allocation, if you project it on all asset managers, and we have 3% allocation on everything, that's so much capital flowing into Bitcoin. And if only a few of those customers listen to this 3% allocation, then we have another big leg up for Bitcoin, because, you know, it's a limited asset. And when more and more money flows into a limited asset, the only way this asset can react is by going up in price. So I will keep an eye on X, and I will post every day from now on, because these videos are pretty easy to make. And so you can keep up to date with these short videos. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Bye.